Not sure how much you can see, but my window has a huge crack in it and I have to take it out in order to take it to get the window glass replaced. These are the tools that you will need to remove the casement window. So the first thing we do is we remove the mesh from the window if it's an operating window and there is a mesh. So you click down for mine and you just pull it out and you remove. This vinyl facing that's kind of clamping the window in is what you need to take out, the four sides. And we will start on the two lengthwise sides. The reason is that if you look at the bottom, it's cut off, it doesn't go all the way in, so you're able to pull it out from this way. So make sure you check your windows and use from the one that's straight clean cut here so that you can pull outwards. So you can either use a flathead screwdriver or a chisel. And once you start prying, you'll hear it like clooks as it starts to come out. I'm not sure if you can see it. Let me zoom in for you. There it is. You can see the big space it's starting to open. Now you do it little by little on all the way to the top. So there you can see I've opened it all the way to the top. Give it a light pull and off it comes. There I've taken out one side. Now we just go ahead and do the same for all four sides. I have to be honest with you, it is difficult to start. So what you need to do is you use the flathead screwdriver and you put it between where the crease is, and then you take the chisel and just lightly tap until you get it in. Tap it till it goes in a good way, and then just slightly twist the screwdriver at an angle to start pulling it up. And don't tap too heavy because you don't want to break the glass. So lightly tap between the groove where the vinyl meets the window frame, and once it gets in you lightly twist and then it will start popping up because it's actually set into grooves. So the next thing you have to do is, once you take the frame, the vinyl frame off, you'll see some shimmies, a little black shimmies on the window in between the glass and the vinyl. I need you to mark it because once you take the glass off, this will fall and you'll need to know where to replace it when you bring back the new glass. So you go and you get, I have a marker, and I'm just going to put the line right there where I take it off. So now we're removing the window. We're going to remove the black plugs on the corners. Some of them might be tough. You have to use the screwdriver to get it out. And And at this time, please be careful, the glass will be heavy. Okay, you have to try to bring it towards you. Bring it out towards you. If you have something with a hook, see if that would help. I'm going to try my hanger to just hook it into the top to help pull it out. See? You take the hook and you just put it in, just so that you can get it to start moving. Get a good grip, and there you go. It's out towards you. Carefully lift and remove. You've removed all 4 sides. Now it's the time to measure the actual glass. Okay, so we measure the glass. Hook this onto the top of the glass because you have the actual open glass frame. So you hook this onto the top and you measure all the way to the bottom, and you have to make sure that it's exact measurement. You do the same for the sides. The width of the window, make sure that you measure exact, because remember, you're making the glass to fit back in this opening. Now, because I have the valiants in the middle, I have to measure where I want them to put the valiants. So I tell them the length that I need the valiants, and then I tell them that I need one in the middle, like that. You need to measure the thickness of the window. In order to get the thickness of the window, you'll need to pull it out a bit.